Lately, these animal videos have become super popular on YouTube and Instagram and have received millions upon millions of views. Well, today I've got a fresh idea for you. You can take popular animal videos from a Chinese Shorts app, add funny English translations, and then repost them on Shorts and Reels. And guess what? You won't have to worry much about copyright issues because YouTube and Instagram are banned in China. Plus, we'll jazz up these videos with our own script and voiceovers. The best part? We'll be using AI to do most of the work. And hey, we can also make some extra cash by promoting affiliate products like dog food and accessories from Amazon. Don't worry, I'll show everything to you in detail. Just stick around till the end. Step 1. Getting the Chinese app. First things first, let's download that Chinese Shorts app so we can grab a bunch of videos. Open up your browser and search for the Kuaishou app. Click on one of the links and download it onto your phone. Once it's installed, look for the Kuai Video Downloader and get that too. Now open the Kuaishou app and start searching for content. I stumbled upon this page with over 20.4 million followers creating adorable dog videos, and there are plenty more pages just like it, all about animals. So you can recreate this video and add affiliate links to dog products such as dog food or accessories, just like this video here. Now, I'll take this video, copy the link, and paste it into the Kuai Video Downloader to get it in MP4 format. Now let's add value to the video and make it unique. Since these videos are all in Chinese, we just need to tweak them a bit and translate them into English. I'll show you 2 ways to do this. First up, we've got Vidnoz AI. This AI tool can translate the video for you, so no need to rewrite scripts or do voiceovers. The second method is manual, where we translate the script ourselves, convert it into English, and then add a voiceover. Don't worry, I'll walk you through both methods so you can pick the one that suits you best. Let's kick off with the first method. Open your browser and search for Vidnoz AI. Click on the first link. This tool can do cool things like making lifelike AI avatars for videos. But for now, let's focus on translating our Chinese video into English. Click on the free AI tools and choose the AI video translator. Don't worry about money. It's free to use right now, so you can translate lots of videos with it. Let's begin. First, upload the Chinese video you want to translate. Then, select the original language. In our case, it's Chinese. Next, we'll set the output language to English, US. Now let's click Translate Now and wait for it to process. Here's the result.
Meet Mau Mau, the clever and caring dog brother who always knows how to look out for his family. One day, when Mau Mau saw his owner preparing to harm some fish, he immediately intervened. Mau Mau rushed over and held down the owner's hand. Then, when the owner got momentarily distracted, Mau Mau seized the opportunity. He swiftly carried the bucket of fish away and released them into the river, ensuring their safety and compassion.
Next, after translating the video, add some background music and captions into this so it will look unique, and you can upload it to YouTube. Alright, now let's talk about the other method. With this one, we'll be doing everything manually. First up, we'll translate the Chinese script into English. Look for the Aurus AI Transcripts tool and upload the Chinese video. Then choose the transcript option. Pick your language and upload the file. Once it's done, open it up. This tool converts the Chinese script into English. Copy the script and paste it into Google Docs. Take a good look at the whole script and understand what the video is about. Then, create your own funny and engaging script based on it. If you're stuck, you can also get help from ChatGPT. Just give it a prompt like, write an engaging video script for a TikTok video based on this info, and paste the script. ChatGPT will provide you with a good script, which you can use as is or tweak a bit to make it more human. If you want more prompts to write your script using AI, just like this video and leave a comment. I'll reply with awesome prompts for script, all for free. Okay, once the script is ready, we need a voiceover for our video. I'll use Flicky for this purpose. Open Flicky and create a new file. Select audio, write file name, set language to English and dialect to United States. Under Start With, select Script. Now I'll paste the script here and hit Submit. Now to change the voice, you need to click on the Scene 1 and click on the voice name. It will open the voice selection menu. You can filter the languages by language, dialect, or gender. I'll keep the language and dialect as is and change the gender to male. I like Benjamin voice, so I'll select that. Now let's download the audio file and then move on to the final step, which is editing the video. To edit the video, you can use any editor like Filmora, DaVinci, or Premiere Pro. I'm going to use the CapCut free desktop app for mine. Open CapCut and import the voiceover track and downloaded video. Then adjust the size and trim any empty parts from the video. To sync the audio with the video, you can change the speed of both or cut and adjust as needed. Press Ctrl+B to split the audio, and don't forget to remove the original audio from the video. Next, let's add subtitles. Click on the text and choose Auto Subtitles, then click Create. Select a template that fits your video. Look for one with a background so it hides the Chinese subtitles and shows the English ones. You can also add a border or text box to hide the Chinese subtitles, and then place the English subtitles above it. After that, add filters, effects, and transitions to make your video eye-catching. Finally, add background music. If you're uploading from mobile, you can choose trendy songs from the YouTube audio library. Otherwise, import any music and adjust the volume. Add a text box at the end of your video to tell the viewers to click on the link in bio for the best dog products. Click export and download it to your computer. Here's the final result.
Meet Mao Mao, the clever and caring dog brother who always knows how to look out for his family. One day, when Mao Mao saw his owner preparing to harm some fish, he immediately intervened. Mao Mao rushed over and held down the owner's hand, preventing any further harm to the fish. Then, Mao Mao seized the opportunity. He swiftly carried the bucket of fish away and released them into the river.
To start affiliate marketing in this niche, you'll need to create an affiliate account with Amazon, or you can use ClickBank. You can open Amazon and search for dog-related products. You'll find plenty to choose from. Simply create an affiliate link for the product you want to promote and add it to your bio or channel page. That's it. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.